everyone, my name is Mokshagna. I am from NMIT and my branch is Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today I am going to present my project and that is about pneumonia tissue classification, in which I am going to explain about how the code will work out and how we use the images to detect what's the problem in that tissue level. And it always helps us to know the exact detail of the disease we got. For example, now I install the Kaggle hub at the first to get the data set. Get the dataset from the Kaggle, and then I imported OS Explore to display the images and train them. In the train path, you can see the code clearly. OS.join, and we'll go to next, and it is also validated using the same folder. Oh, explore and display the images. We need the training folder. Your display images function can load and display some images from each class, so you can visually impact the dataset, and you can augment the normal images so that you can for the better classification, and you can set the data augmentation code too. You can see the data augmentation code too. It helps us to the new variation to the existing images so that we can clarify everything according to the tissues. Next, we created the TensorFlow data sets. We can clearly see the images of how many it has classified, so know the every tissue. And also the normalization code is given at the below. You can see it from the import OS and TensorFlow. It normalizes and also it uses the TensorFlow HTLF. And next we are going to build our CNN, by which code is well evaluated by the hyperparameters. And next we are going to train the CNN, by which the hyperparameter will start to exist. And then you can see I used 10 epochs to determine the accuracy, and you can see my varied accuracy is so high. That is it nearly, you can see it started from 96.88 to it went from 98.64, and at last it came to 99.16. At one point I came to know it may be overfitting, but it's perfect. It's perfectly fit. And I also checked my model, it's completely trained, and we can use it for better standards. Thank you.